Hi, my name is Andira Schroeder, and I'm the Global Marketing Manager of Link3D. Link3D is an additive workflow, MES, and QMS solution designed to help organizations scale their additive operations. And today I'm just going to be going through a few instructions for this Remo platform where we're holding this event. All right, so this is Remo. And right now we're in the virtual networking view. So you can see the map of all the different tables in the virtual networking floor plan. And right now I'm here alone. Normally there would be other people in all of these seats that you'd be able to network with. But first things first, for virtual networking, you want to make sure you have both your camera and your microphone turned on in order to hear and see others. And as you can see, I'm in this first table. Each of these tables act as a mini meeting room with up to 6 people per table. There's also 2 different views. So right now I am in back to map view. And if you click tile view, you can get a closer look of who you're talking to or yourself. And then you can click back to floor where you'll be able to join other tables. So to join another table, you would double click on an empty seat. There's also multiple floors. So if you want to join a different floor, there's sort of this elevator section over here. You can click go to floor 2. Yes, go ahead. And you'll be on the 2nd floor. There's also a chat function in the Remo platform. So if you see the chat button on the bottom, click that. There's a general chat for everyone that's involved in the conference and is logged on currently. There's a table chat for each table. And there's also individual chats where you can message individual participants. As you can see, there's also lounges on the left and the right sides. And in your event, there might be logos there where you can learn more about that sponsor. So I'm going to join the Link3D lounge, and then you can click on their logo and learn more. And it'll take you to their website or any information that they provide. So that's about it with the virtual networking session of these instructions. And next we're going to go into broadcasting. All right, so now I am broadcasting in the Remo platform. Just a few things to remember here. The chat function still works, so you can still message in the general chat and still message with individuals as well. But one cool thing that is allowed in the broadcasting is all participants are encouraged to add Q&A for either the presenter or panelist or whoever is speaking at this event. So you can ask a question in the Q&A, and you can ask it with your name or anonymously. So I'm going to ask this one anonymously. Another cool thing is you can upvote questions. So if you see a question that's already been asked that you like and you really want to get it answered, you can upvote it. And typically the questions that are asked first have the most upvotes. So make sure to upvote the questions that you like. All right, so that's about it for the instruction portion of our video. But just a few things to remember for troubleshooting. So if you are having trouble with either your camera or your mic, or things aren't loading properly for you, first things first, try refreshing the page. So come up, refresh that button. That solves about 70% of issues. Sometimes just not loading properly. Next thing is to make sure you are using your personal computer rather than your cell phone or a tablet. It just loads a bit quicker and faster. We also recommend using Google Chrome. Typically, there's not as many issues with that. And if you're still having trouble using your computer and on Chrome, make sure your settings allow for camera and microphone access in both your computer settings and your Chrome settings. And if you still have issues, there's also a support button in the bottom left corner. So you can chat with Remo support to try and get your issue resolved, or you can find me, Andira, or Janet Carr, who might also be in the event, and we can help you get that resolved as quickly as possible. So thank you, everyone. Enjoy. Have a wonderful day.